Right, Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Disonga from Make It Change Project. Magandang Monday morning sa lahat ng delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yung Dr. Gigi Disonga. Monday and we're not going to school. Pupunta tayo ng Clark Medical City for our final check. I think that is treadmill stress test, something like that. Alright, so hopefully this last test ma-declare tayo okay. Alright, now, as I announced, I'll be launching my e-commerce business this April 27. So, nung nag-post ako, marami na nagtanong, what is an e-commerce business? Ano ba nangyayari? What is e-commerce? How does an e-commerce business can help your business grow? Or you yourself, how can you launch an e-commerce business? Right? So, first, nag-research tayo. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng isang statement that will give you a background on e-commerce. Sabi po dito sa ating binabasa. Electronic commerce, that's e-commerce. E-commerce is electronic commerce. Or e-commerce is a term for any type of business or commercial transaction that involves the transfer of information across the internet, right? So, it covers a range of different types of businesses from consumer-based retail sites through auctions or music sites and everything, right? Alright. So, anyway, so e-commerce is electronic commerce. Sabi nga dito sa definition, it's any transaction happens that involves the internet. So, dun tayo sa common example ng e-commerce business like Lazada, Shopee, Amazon, Alibaba, di ba? So, yun yung mga AliExpress. So, yung mga different examples of e-commerce business. And, yung mga simpleng online na nakikita natin, online seller sa Facebook natin, that's an e-commerce business. E-courses like electronic tutorial, electronic e-courses, that means electronic courses. Like, if you want to become a rockstar speaker, yan, meron tayo. Ilo-launch natin e-commerce natin. E-course natin. Mga e-products. Okay? So, anything that involves the internet, that you buy services, that you buy goods or products is an example of e-commerce. Okay? So, yung tanong na, paano magsimula ng e-commerce? So, una, i-identify mo anong platform, saan platform mo gusto. Diba? Anong platform mo gusto mo and what products or what services you want to sell or want to provide. For example, sa una tayo, what platform? Okay? So, gusto mo bang magawa ng online business mo, di ba? Your own FB page, your own website, di ba? Dropshipping is an example of e-commerce. So, like, and dropshipping, like what I have explained before, is, kukuha ng product, like sa AliExpress, then bebenta mo sa website mo, then magdadagdag ka na, let's say, 10 pesos, 20 pesos. So, that's dropshipping, okay? You don't need to buy products sa meron lang, communication with AliExpress. So, they will be sending that. Bahala na sila. Basta, ang work mo lang is, yung mga products nila, ilalagay mo sa website. Okay? So, yun yung dropshipping. Okay? So, yun. You have to decide kung magwe-website ka pa, magda-dropshipping ka ba, mag-online selling ka ba, or itong gagawin ko ang gagawin mo. Ano bang gagawin mo doon? Ano yung e-commerce na ilo-launch mo? Okay? I'll be launching, actually, madami tayong ilo-launch na e-commerce businesses. Okay? So, unahin natin sa isa. Unahan na kayo, okay? So, it's just like a mini Lazada or mini Shopee. Okay? So, I'll be doing a website. So, may website tayo. Ginagawa na nating team. Okay? Nag-post na ako kagabi sa aking FB page or FB account ng teaser. Okay? So, nandun lahat ng mga products na nagpa-endorse sa atin. Website, services. Like, InvestPro. Siguro, invite natin InvestPro, Sun Life, IMG, Overrun, Beef Tapa, mula dyan sa Beef Tapa talaga, online products ni Ma'am Ann. So, lahat ng mga gustong magpa-advertise or maglagay dun sa aking website, okay, welcome po kayo. So, kung meron kayong business, iba po siya sa ina-advertise ko sa YouTube, di ba? Pag ina-advertise ko kayo sa YouTube, di ba, ini-interview ko kayo, lalagay natin contact ko, merong isang video for you. Now, it's different. So, lahat po ng mga businesses na gustong maglagay ng products sa aking website, okay, kukontakin nyo lang ako, may fee lang po tayo. Samantalayin nyo na may discounted fee tayo, okay? So, discounted fee, like, it's supposed to be 3,000 a month, pero ngayon gagawin natin 1,500 a month lang. So, for 1,500 a month, you will have a place in my site. So, meron kang, you can place different products there. So, nandun siya. So, ilalagay natin doon. Meron ka pong space doon. So, that's only for 1,500 a month. For the initial, 3 months yun. So, 4,500 for 3 months. So, yun po. So, no other commissions. Zero commission tayo. So, for example, kahit may bumili sa'yo 100,000, it's a zero commission. Okay? So, hindi natin, wala po akong commission. Okay? So, ang mangyayari lang, you just pay the 1,500 a month. So, that's my, ang tawag po dyan ay B2B or business to business. Because, ang business mo, ang mag-a-avail yan, yung gustong mag-business, yung gustong mag-retailer. Okay? Yung gusto, or, hindi naman siya limited only for business to business, pero customer, may client kayo na mag-a-avail din for personal consumption, like yung mga services na, or yung mga insurances na gustong magpa-advertise sa atin. Okay? So, yun po yung aking unang ilo-launch, okay? So, sa lahat ng video ko, nandun yung link ng aking B2B e-commerce business. Click lang nila yon. Then, they will explore hanggang sa makita yung business mo. Then, maglalagay lang kayo ng link going to your FB page or going to your website or FB account mo. So, kung saan mo gustong i-link yon, okay, may choice ka, or we can handle your product. So, pag-usapan natin how are we going to do that, okay? So, yun po ang ating first e-commerce business, okay? So, meron tayong parang mini Lazada because I launched it kasi nakita ko maraming may mga nagpupunta sa YouTube channel ko na gusto mag-business, okay? At meron din naman tayong mga delivers na may mga business, gusto rin nila hanap sila na reseller. So, basically, ganon. So, magiging parang through my YouTube channel, mapupunta ka sa link ko sa B2B, then magkakaroon na kayo ng transaction. Diba? So, marami tayong mga delivers, mas marami tayong matutulungan na delivers na gusto mag-start ng business. Okay? So, that's one. Alright? So, if you're interested, ito yung business mo, ongoing na, magda-dry run tayo ng limited slots lang muna. 10 slots lang muna tayo. Let's see how it will work. After a month, maglo-launch ulit tayo. Kasi nga, it's something new sa atin. Sabi ko nga, ginagaya ko yung si Zuckerberg. Sabi niya, all ideas don't come in full form. So, nagka-idea ako, nilaunch ko agad. Kasi ganun ako, pag may gusto akong gawin, gawin ko na agad. Okay? So, ginagawa na ng aking team ngayon, ng aking new business. Okay? So, tinan natin, after running it a month, di ba? So, how are we going to change it? Something like that. Yung Amazon nga, di ba? Sabi ni Jeff Bezos, it wasn't Amazon before. So, may mga stages din pinagdaanan. Microsoft, it wasn't Microsoft before. Di ba? So, maraming stages na pinagdadaanan. Okay? Ang maganda, nilolaunch natin yung idea natin. Okay? So, yan. 10 slots lang po. So, una-una na kayo. Message mo ako. 0939-525-4311 para makakuha ka na ng slot mo. Ulitin natin, 1,500 only a month for 3 months po agad ang inyong contract sa akin. So, that is, you'll be paying 4,500. Okay? So, zero commission po tayo dyan. Wala tayong commission except dun sa we'll be processing your products. Okay? So, mag-usap po tayo kung paano yan. Alright? So, second e-commerce na i-launch natin, I'll be launching my e-courses. So, doon sa mga gustong maging speaker na hindi, hindi sila hindi kami pwede magkita because of the place. Medyo malayo ako, malayo sila. So, ngayon meron na akong e-course. You can avail of it. So, sasend ko sa inyo yung link. Then, you can buy it. Okay? So, yan. Yan yung mga improvement natin Di ba? I'm so excited. I'll be also launching it this April 27. Madami ko ilo-launch na po. Kaya sana gumaling na tayo na para tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Okay, so yan muna. So, and third na ilo-launch natin, if possible, masabay na natin. I'll be doing dropshipping. Ayan, so tatlo ang ating ilo-launch this April 27. Dropshipping, that means, you know, yung mga gustong magnegosyo ng or bumili ng mga products from AliExpress and other websites, matatagpuan nyo sa meron akong isang website, or if possible, pagsama-samahin ko na dito sa aking website, okay? Sa B2B, so yan na, padating na, it's coming, April 27, I'm excited, and be excited also sa ating gagawing bagong bagay, okay? Alright, so yan yung ating mga bagong ilo-launch. Alright, so yung e-commerce ulitin natin sa electronic business, e-commerce, so you can do it. If you need my assistance, okay, I have my team who can coach you. Doc G, I want also dropshipping, I want also a website, I want an online business, FB page, and marketing video. So, lahat ng mga kailangan mo in your business, I have my team who can help you. Tawagan mo lang ako. Yeah, message mo ako. I can coach you. Basta malaga, you start your own business, sama-sama tayo maging maunlad sa buhay. Okay? So, basta if you have idea, tawagan mo ako. We can have an initial online coaching. Huwag na kayong manginayang sa fee. Ganun talaga. Bakit, sabi nung isa, Doc, bakit na binabayaran? Of course, you're getting my time. My time is precious. So, ganun po talaga. So, walang free. I mean, it's just enough because you're paying my expertise, you're paying my skill, alright? So, and you're paying my time. It's my time that you're paying, okay? So, basta, tawagan mo ako, mag-usap tayo, pwedeng online or personal para magkausap po tayo. Alright, so, please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin. Alam mo, gusto nilang lumago ang kanilang negosyo. Ito na hinihintay nila sa aking website. Isa sila sa mga first 10 na makaka-avail ng ating services. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go!